All right, so you got it on race.
It's not gonna lift for you.
You don't have to turn the nannies off. I got that.
I want you to feel it, so just be cognizant. All right, so now that's off. So give it too much throttle, the motherfucker will lift up. I want you to know that.
So coming to get this damn thing smogged. It passes smog. There's one peculiar thing about it. I'll talk to you in a second after they pass me. All right, long story short, vehicle passes. We already knew that. I already knew that. It already did pass. This thing has some MSD coil packs. The MSD coil packs are an OEM replacement sold by AutoZone. I guess the girl just decided, the first girl, because the second one was really cool. You know, I'm not offering any slander of anything. I already have this in my phone because I brought it because it only took me 5 minutes to pull up model numbers, this exact part number, cross-reference the part number under my hood, press the part number in the catalog that went for this vehicle, and I even pulled up this executive order that applies to the coil packs, which proves even further that they're legal to be used and they're smog okay. Long story short, this girl took her time. She looked it up. She printed this out, and that's why I showed her on my phone. I already got it. I wanted to bring that to you guys just in case somebody tried to say anything otherwise. Because if they tried to say anything otherwise, then I was going to push the line on that. Everything passed, but you see failed or tampered. Tampered was what they put on there, that I had performance ignition tampering, and I needed to remove it and put OEM parts on in place to get it smogged, and that ain't what we gonna do. We gonna follow the letter of the law, because at any time, if we don't follow it, we get busted.
Hey, here we go.
Top of the morning, was the first person here. Pretty much got the track to myself. I'm suited up, ready to go. Nice looking day. This is a good day to practice. And then if more people come, then we will start to mix it up. Let's do it. First bike is that one.
Mobile phone 1 connected.
I know, huh? This is a workout, mama.